The government plans to float a multi-billion shillings tender for the modernization and expansion of the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport by January 2024. Transport and Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen has told the Senate that the construction of a modern terminal at JKIA will be completed by 2027. Murkomen has further told the legislators that renovations are underway to fix various parts of the old terminal.
A terrible situation unfolding at the JKIA in Nairobi, where passengers are dropped off almost 100 meters from the terminals with the rain. I want the CS to explain to me the rationale of dropping passengers all the way away from the entrances of the terminals in this particular season when it's raining, Mr. Speaker.
The Jomo Kenyatta International Airport has been in the limelight for wrong reasons in the last 2 months. From endless power blackouts to leaking roofs, the management of the facility has come under sharp focus. The airport, which is one of the busiest in Africa, has undergone various expansions in the last 10 years due to bulging passenger numbers that are almost clocking 10 million this year. Transport Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen flouted the tender in January 2024.
Now the greenfield is free and open and vacant for us to advertise for a new PPP contractor to build a new terminal.
Kenya's quest to have a modern airport was scrapped in 2016 by former retired President Jomo Kenyatta. The government was planning to construct the greenfield terminal with a capacity to handle 20 million passengers by the year 2030. Murkomen says the new terminal will be constructed through a public-private partnership model
to accommodate all the airlines and to accommodate all the parking that we require. And that's an issue that is in regard to building a new terminal, Mr. Speaker, that I've said over and over again. We are in the process of working on a new PPP model of a new terminal that we should be advertising on 15th of January. And hopefully, Mr. Speaker, by June, we get the relevant contractor so that in the next 3 years, we have a complete new airport.
Due to years of underdevelopment, JKIA is bursting at the seam due to rising numbers. The facility, which for the longest time was the king of aviation in the eastern seaboard of Africa, has lost its sheen to Obol International Airport in Ethiopia. Frederick Muki for Prime Edition.